To showcase the Janome Continental M8 Professional CM8P sewing machine, Janome UK and Justhands-on.tv are giving you the chance to win some incredible prizes. You could win the grand prize, a brand new Janome Continental M8 Professional CM8P sewing machine with accurate stitch regulator accessory. You also have the chance to win one of 50 one-year subscriptions to Justhands-on.tv, Britain's premier online classes for quilting, embroidery, knitting, crochet and textile art. Here's how to enter. Number 1. Go to www.justhands-on.tv/prize draw 2025, where you will find a registration form. Number 2. Complete the entry form with your name, email and postcode so we know how to contact you if you win. Number 3. Hit the submit button, then you're all set. Alternatively, send an email to prizedraw2025@justhands-on.tv with the subject line Prize Draw 2025, providing your name, email and postcode. Entries must be received by midnight GMT on June the 30th, 2025. The prize draw is open to residents of the United Kingdom aged 18 years or over. No purchase is necessary to enter. Prize draw entries are limited to 1 per person. Winners will be picked at random on July the 4th, 2025. For more details, go to www.justhands-on.tv/prize draw 2025. Good luck!